Good morning, guys. Lily Ray's here. This year I wanted to start out with some affirmations, and I wanted to begin journaling those affirmations, so I wanted to share that with you. But before we get to that, this is the blue jay that I have painted for the beginning of this year, and hopefully he will take all of your troubles and take them away as he flies in the sky. So with that said, I wanted to go ahead and read some. I have 5 affirmations. This is a new journal. So the 2024 affirmations that I did want to go through is number 1, let it go. Make peace with your past, because the past is something that sits in your heart as you hold it and don't release it. So just release that. Number 2 is give it time, because as the old saying goes, time heals old wounds. So just be conscious of that. Never give up. Number 3, because the impossible will become possible, and you have to help to get there, to make things possible. Number 4, don't compare. Don't compare, because everybody's journey is unique to themselves. So what could take you 2 months could take someone else 3 months to heal. So you don't know what path they're on, so don't compare. And then smile is number 5, and enjoy it while you have it, because that too will dissipate. So with that said, I'm going to start this year with a smile on my face. Let's begin this tutorial. Enjoy. Please leave a comment down below, and Happy New Year. Take care. Today I begin sketching on Academia Fabriano 94-pound watercolor paper. It's inexpensive. I picked it up on, I believe it was Amazon. And the sketch that I am sketching out here is from a book titled Artist's Photo Reference for Songbirds. It's a beautiful collection. You can pick that up on Amazon, and I will leave the link below. I'm not sure if they still have this book, but it has several birds that you can draw, and the book gives you permission to go ahead and do that. They have pelicans, eagles, ospreys. They have all sorts of common birds. I love birds. But I wanted to begin this year with drawing a blue jay. And here in the background, I wanted it to look a bit fuzzy, nothing specific, just so that you understood that there was greenery behind the bird. And I'm using Paul Rubens palette. And this is an excellent palette because it's while it's watercolor, it's not as translucent as Sennelier. I love this palette, so I do recommend it. Paul Rubens also has a sketchbook, 3x5 sketchbook, that came with this set, and the watercolor paper is really on point. It's affordable, and it's quality paper. I, for one, like it. And then the brushes that I'm using, they have a very pointy end, and that's on all of them. I think I have about 6 of them, and I love them because they're so pointy. Inexpensive. Again, I bought them, I think, on Temu, if I'm not mistaken. And they were very inexpensive, so I was happily surprised that these did the trick with, the point that it has, because the most brushes do have pointy ends, but this one really holds its point and gives you better precision. The Blue Jay was fun to paint. I'm a slow painter, so that's why I do my tutorials on double speed, because I think too much while I'm painting, and so it takes me time, and I don't like to rush. This is a specialty brush that I'm using. This actually I bought on Amazon, and it comes with 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and a large. And this is by, let's see, King Art, and they're daggers, 1.5 inch, as I said, 1 small, 1 medium, 1 large. And this is good for the body of the bird, because you can actually do the feathers with this brush, and you can go over it several times, and you can still see that the bird is the feathers of the bird. So this is the real small one that I'm using here, and I was going to give it another pass, but again, I'm thinking about recording it, and really I should just be thinking about what I'm painting. So for the new year, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to focus on what I'm painting. I really want to do my books, my journals, but I will start to keep a journal with affirmations and goals for this coming year. Well, guys, this is all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Please leave a comment down below or any questions that you may have, and I will see you next time.